sklearnmetrics root mean squared error. Description: the root mean squared error (RMSE) is a frequently used regression error metric that measures the average magnitude of the errors in a set of predictions. It is the square root of the mean squared error (MSE). Inputs: y true, this is the true value of the target variable. Y pred, this is the predicted value of the target variable. Outputs: RMSE, the root mean squared error, is a single value that represents the average magnitude of the errors in a set of predictions. Steps: calculate the difference between the true values and the predicted values. Square each of these differences. Calculate the mean of the squared differences. Take the square root of the mean of the squared differences. Metrics: the RMSE is a commonly used metric to evaluate the performance of regression models. It is a good measure of the overall accuracy of the model and is sensitive to outliers. Visualization plots: scatter plot of the predicted values vs the true values. Histogram of the residuals, the difference between the predicted values and the true values. Fine-tune parameters: no fine-tune parameters for this metric as it is a standard calculation. Uncertainty methods: confidence intervals. The RMSE can be used to calculate confidence intervals for the predicted values. Bootstrapping: the RMSE can be used to estimate the uncertainty in the model's predictions by using bootstrapping. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: the RMSE is sensitive to outliers. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: if there is an outlier in the data, the RMSE will be inflated. Fixes to challenge 1: one way to fix this is to remove the outliers from the data. Another way is to use a more robust error metric such as the mean absolute error may. Challenge 2: the RMSE can be difficult to interpret. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: a high RMSE could be due to a few large errors, or it could be due to many small errors. Fixes to challenge 2: the RMSE can be interpreted in the context of the problem domain. For example, if the RMSE is 10 of the average target value, this might be considered a good result.